everybody, welcome back to Witness Goodness. I'm Graham, and for the awesome house reno, we have now finished the bathroom. This was just as dated as the rest of the house, and it was looking pretty rough, so we basically gave it a complete overhaul. New paint, new everything. Except for this vanity, which is pretty cool. We just raised it 5 inches, used the existing hardware and the existing structure, and just mounted it to the wall, built a little 2x4 structure in behind, little apron wall beneath to give it some more support, poured this brand new concrete countertop, which turned out extremely well, super smooth and looks awesome in this bathroom. This farmhouse bathroom sink, new faucet, built this mirror out of an old mirror I found at the scrapyard with some nice old oak fence boards I had lying around my yard. New lighting, we made this sweet shiplap in the back that just gives us a really nice accent wall. New toilet that I'm sitting on, which is much needed because the other one was really nasty looking. And I added an additional light above the shower so it's a little brighter in there when you're showering. New floor beneath my feet, which my father-in-law laid, which looks awesome. And yeah, these are some really easy ways to make an old bathroom look new again. And we love it. So without further ado, let's get after it.